Ay, nahihiya ka na. Office na, daddy. Ay, nahihiya. Big girl na.
Nakakahiya, promise, no joke.
Why? What is it?
Look.
Oh.
Disgusting.
First day ni Ola sa hindi naman first day, mga third day ni Ola sa school. So, surprise natin. Susunduin natin siya kasi naka-service siya. So, matutuwa siya nang makita kaming nandun. How's your school?
I'm waiting for the uniform.
Akin na yan. Nagulat ka si daddy nandito. Wala man lang akong hug. Sinundo ka. Kiss mo ako. Kiss, nahihiya na. Kiss. Ay, Ola, kiss mo si daddy. Dito mo ako kiss. Ay, nahihiya ka na. Office na, daddy. Ay, nahihiya. Big girl na. What?
I have something to tell you. Get in the car first.
Ano po?
Can you get in the car?
Why?
It's nakakahiya. Come on.
Nakakahiya? Ano yun? Ako na akong... Ano?
Nakakahiya, promise, no joke.
Why? What is it?
Look.
Oh my...
Nasira na shoes ko.
Oh my goodness.
Tignan mo, it's so floppy and so disgusting. Daddy, I promise you I need a new one. Nakakahiya. All my classmates has high-heeled shoes.
Grabe naman, anak.
Please,
Maganda yan
nakatulog.
para ikaw yung pansinin.
No! Ayoko maging pansinin dun na palagi ako nakuhulog with this.
Di ba ang
one.
intro mo, this is Ola, bida. Oh, bida yan.
Paano ako magiging bida na, Daddy? Tingnan mo naman shoes kung hindi mo kang bida. I need high-heeled shoes.
Wow! Mag-high heel ka.
Yeah?
Bakit?
Because that's what my class.
Model ka ba sa school?
No, with the only lang hanggang here lang. Because I'm the shortest in the school.
Ah, maliit ka sa school.
Yeah.
Ikaw pinakamaliit.
Yeah.
So sad.
So, Daddy, we need to go.
Magiging honest ako. Nung ako bata, pag naganyan yung tawag namin dyan ano eh.
Dati pa yun. Ngayon 2026 na. 2026 na to.
Anak sa amin dati, pag nakaganyan, masarap kasi pinagtitripan namin, ginaganyan namin sa school yan, no? Don't worry.
Ang dumi-dumi nito.
Don't worry. May mighty ban. Ako bahala. Close your eyes. Ito na. The magic begins. Oh. Wala. Dito ka. Close your eyes. Magugulat ka. Magiging brand new ulit to. The brand new is here. The brand new is here, Ola. Ano? Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
I'm kind of disappointed, Daddy, but it's good din naman to fix me. But I'm the bid. I should have good more shoes, but at least it's still working now.
Bida, diba? At least.
Thank you.
So naniniwala ka na sa galing ko. Ha?
Yeah.
So, brand new. Approve!
Approve.